Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to set up a WordPress website on Hostinger. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, just click on Websites from the top. Then click on this dashboard button next to your website. Now, to set up your WordPress website on this domain, just go to Website from this left side menu and click on Auto Installer. Click on this Select button under WordPress. And now you need to enter your website credentials like the title. I will call it Title 1. This is my preferred email address and username I want to use for this WordPress website. After filling your administrator password, you can go to Advanced Settings. If you want, for example, to install your WordPress on a subdomain, you can select it from here. For this video, I will select it simply on my website address, benstestinghosting.com. After that, click on this Next button. For the WordPress version, I recommend you to always use the latest one. For the site language, I will keep it in English and click on Install. As you can see, my WordPress website is installed successfully on Hostinger. To give my WordPress admin area a visit, just click on this admin panel button. And this is how to set up a WordPress website on Hostinger. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.